Hindi ko na i-gatekeep pa tong na-discover namin na bagong date spot sa QC na para ka na nakapunta ng Italy. They serve delicious Filipino-Italian fusion dishes, iba't ibang klase ng desserts, and mga pangmalakasang drinks. Hello Jolly Natics! Today we are here at Cafe Alo Restaurante na located along Scout Reyes Street, Quezon City. Pagpasok nyo pa nga lang ay ma-amaze na talaga kayo sa interior design nila. They have this Tuscany-inspired vibe and nakakalain mo talagang outdoor dining sila. Napakaganda at ang lamig sa matang tignan, and kung katulad kitang nangangarap pumunta ng Europe pero wala ka pang budget, punta ka na lang dito. May function room nga rin sila dito na perfect for corporate meetings and other intimate gatherings. Kitang-kita nyo nga rin yung bar nila dito and ang daming choices ng liquor. Tapos kung may kids kayong kasama, they also provide coloring materials na may enjoy nila. And syempre, bukod sa magandang place, yung quality ng food ang babalikan mo sa isang lugar, and this Resto Cafe did not disappoint. Unahin ko na dito sa kanilang Nacho Volcano, top with tomato, cheese and onion, served with cheese sauce dip. For me, good for sharing na to. Masarap yung quality ng nachos and bagay na bagay dun sa garnish and cheese dip. Mas try naman tong shrimp cocktail nila. Sauteed shrimp yan na isasawsaw mo dun sa signature cheese dip. And promise, ang sarap niyan. Yung nadala talaga dito is yung cheese sauce, and actually best din siya i-partner dun sa nachos. Pansit sisig naman, ang sarap din nito. Kita nyo naman, generous ng serving, rich and umami flavor, meaty and crunchy bits dahil dun sa mga sisig. May mga Neapolitan pizza selections din sila dito, tulad nitong cream cheese kangkong pizza. Yung lasa niya actually parang cream cheese spinach flavor. Tapos yung bis na hot sauce, try nyo i-partner tong spicy honey, and talaga nagko-complement yung lasa. And speaking of Pinoy food, may beef kare-kare din sila dito. Ang rich and thick ng sauce, personally, ito yung gusto kong kare-kare na hindi dinadaan sa tamis but still has that peanutty flavor. Another unique dish that they offer, itong mango sinigang. May lechong kawali na yan, comforting, hindi OA sa asin, tapos may sweetness coming from the mango, just the right balance. Try nyo to, promise. Yung mga drinks naman nila dito, as what you'd expect, okay na okay lahat. We tried their lychee shake, strawberries granita. They also have the green blend series, which is yung mga healthy drinks nila, tulad na lang nitong red energy and yellow energy. Solid at masasarap nga rin yung mga fraps nila dito, tulad nilang nitong matcha crema and pistachio chocolate crema. Meron ding iced coffee, and nag-try din kami ng kanilang mga desserts dito, tulad na lang nitong nagsasarapan nilang macaroons, and we tried their 6 flavors. Kung may kids kayong kasama katulad namin, talagang may enjoy nila to. Huwag nyo nga rin palalagpasin yung kanilang puto bongbong crepe made of ube crepe filled with cream cheese topped with ube or vanilla ice cream. Para sa amin, this is one of the best desserts that we ever had. And yung isa pang maganda dito, around 7:30 every night, pinapatay nila yung ilaw, tapos may pa-moon effect pa na ganito, and sinasabi ko sa inyo, napaka-romantic ng vibe. Bring your loved one here, tapos dito ka na mag-propose. They also accept big group events from 18 to 100 packs, and open naman sila dito daily from 9 AM to 11 PM. Kaya naman sa mga magagawin ng QC dyan or nearby areas looking for a new place to dine and chill that will give you that unique ambience, subukan nyo na rin dito sa Cafe Alo Restaurante. So paano, until our next food trip?